Hi, my name is Celeste. Welcome to Alternative Movement. Throughout the following weeks, I will be taking you through a series of short meditations where we will be diving into the Yamas, powerful ethical principles from yoga that help guide us towards a more peaceful, balanced, and intentional life. Each meditation will focus on one Yama, giving you space to reflect, breathe, and bring these timeless teachings into your everyday life. Let's get started. Today, we will be exploring the concept of Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is often translated as moderation or balance. It originally referred to the practice of celibacy for spiritual seekers, but in a broader sense, it means using our energy wisely and not overindulging. Brahmacharya invites us to find balance in all areas of life, whether it's in food, relationships, or activities, so that we live in harmony with ourselves and the world. Take a few moments to prepare the space before starting. Try to minimize any distractions for the next few minutes. If you need to, pause the recording to do so. Begin by finding a comfortable seat, either on a chair with the soles of your feet on the floor, or on a cushion, bolster, or mat. Once you find your position, take a second to wiggle your body around until you feel really comfortable. Take a soft inhale through your nose, lengthening your spine tall, creating space, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. Settle into your body, allowing your breath to guide you towards relaxation. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly and chest, and attend to the quality of your breath without feeling the need to modify it. Just observe. Is your breath deep or shallow? Is it slow or fast? Continue to breathe gently and mindfully for a few more breath cycles, focusing on one characteristic of your breath that can help you anchor into the present moment. Brahmacharya asks us to reflect on balance. Where in your life are you overindulging or overextending? It could be with food, social media, work, or even in relationships. Without judgment, notice any areas of excess in your life. Take a moment to reflect if there are any specific moments when you feel more drawn towards this attitude. With each breath, bring awareness to the need for balance and moderation. As you breathe in, imagine yourself drawing in balance and clarity. As you breathe out, let go of excess and overindulgence. Inhale, I honor balance in my life. Exhale, I release what is excessive. Allow a sense of moderation and simplicity to fill your mind and body with each breath. Inhale, I honor balance in my life. Exhale, I release what is excessive. Brahmacharya also invites us to conserve our energy for what truly matters. With your next few breaths, reflect on where you can channel your energy more wisely. How can you use your time, focus, and effort in ways that nourish and uplift you? Inhale, I use my energy wisely. Exhale, I am mindful of my actions. Feel a sense of clarity and purpose with each breath. Inhale, I use my energy wisely. Exhale, I am mindful of my actions. As we close this meditation, reflect on how you can bring balance and moderation into your life. Where can you let go of excess? How can you conserve your energy for the things that truly matter? When you're ready, start to bring your awareness back into your physical body, doing any movements that feel nice to break stillness. Inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes, carrying the intention of balance and moderation into your day. As always, if journaling is a practice you enjoy, take some time to write down any ideas that came up for you around today's theme. May your heart be filled with contentment, may your actions be guided by compassion, and may you live in balance with your truth. Thank you.